Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox upgrade error. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, if you have this problem, all you have to do if you're on your iPhone, go to the App Store, just search for Roblox and update it if it needs to be updated. But if that still doesn't help you out, go to the storage, general, iPhone storage, find Roblox once the list loads up. For example, let's say this is it. You want to click offload app, try again. If that doesn't work, delete the app and reinstall it again. If you are on Android, just go to Google Play Store, click at the top on your profile, click on the apps management, find it, update it if needed. If that doesn't help you out, reinstall the app, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.